Is Thumb Butte Prescott's best morning hike? Welcome to Thumb Butte, located in Prescott, Arizona. Today, we'll be scaling all the way to the top. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today, we're out here at Thumb Butte, located in Prescott, Arizona. What you'll do is you'll head to the parking station, grab your pass for $5 US, put it on your window, and begin the hike. It's about a 45-minute climb, 30 minutes if you're hustling. You've got a big, beautiful map, a little bit of the history and everything, but right behind it is when you're gonna have to make your first choice. What we have here is the split. So on the trail here, you can either go right or go left. The left path is gonna be your harder path. It's gonna be a direct incline to the top of the mountain. It takes about 15 minutes to get there. If you wanna take it easy, you can go the right path, which is a slow, gradual increase. The left path, I call it the booty burner. But if you take the right path first, that means you're gonna be coming down at a steep slope, which is gonna bust those knees up. So choose your pain wisely. Today, we're gonna be going up the left side first, the booty burner. Whee! The first incline really lets you know how out of shape you are. And you can probably tell by my breath, but it's just like a friggin' straight one. So take a small break, stretch a little bit, and then we'll tackle the second. Morning, birdies. It's more than just a booty burner. This is a calf burner, ankle burner, thigh burner, lung burner. I'll tell you what, after 15 minutes though, you're gonna feel like $1,000,000. So here we are about 15 minutes in. I was dying, I was coughing, I was hawking, my lungs are burning, everybody's burning. But once you get all of that out of your system and you're on the top of the mountain here, overlooking Prescott Valley, something special about it. Now, my body's all warmed up and I can jog the back half of this decline. I'm gonna take a moment to enjoy the view. If you have any questions or comments about Thumb Butte hike, go ahead and drop it in the comments now. Make sure you like and subscribe for more travel-related content. Whew. It's a beautiful, brisk morning. Look at these old trees here. Let me show you. Take a look at that guy. Oh, it just got burned down, but it's growing back, which is nice. You know, one time I found an old guy had fallen down the side of the hill here. He was bleeding from his head and his arms, knees, everything. He's 98. And he said he wanted to make sure he's still alive. So he went off the beaten path. And I found him actually up over right here in these bushes. As you can see, I was a little concerned at first because he looked maybe homeless or dirty and bloody, and I was a little scared just coming across him on the path here. But we ended up helping him out, getting him down here. I gave him my shirt to kind of clean up his wounds, and we walked him to the bottom of the trail and got the fire department out here. He drove home. He insisted he was fine. But stay on the trail, folks. You never know when the last person to walk the trail is, and you might be lion's meat tomorrow. There's plenty of bobcats and lions that roam these lands. So just be careful, mind the rules and safeties. They're there for your safety, and stay on the trail. This is a great trail for trail running, not the front side, but the back side. You've got gradual up and down slopes. You can get a good pace going. If you're old like me, it just feels good to get moving like this again. If you're a young buck trail runner, this is a good warm-up trail for you. Oh, okay. All right, folks, that wraps it up for today's episode of Hiking Thumb Butte Trail. You've got two choices in the beginning, the hard way or the easy way. The choice is up to you. We'll see you next hike. Thanks for watching, and remember, if you like it, subscribe it.